Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the commercial project Fortune Elite by Fortune Projects located in Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road. You can see the project is located right off Western Express Highway near Gondavli Metro Station, Andheri East. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.25 acre that has one tower of 3 basement parking, ground plus 14 floors, having 38 offices per floor. Talking of location and connectivity, this project is located off Western Express Highway near Gondavli Metro Station, Andheri East, from where West Express Highway entry is only at a distance of 1 minute, Gondavli Metro Station is at a distance of 200 meters, you have Andheri Railway Station at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have International Airport at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has basic commercial amenities like a cafeteria and a lounge area. Also, talking about configuration and carpet areas, as said, this project has 38 offices per floor that will be spread across the carpet area of 750 to 2000 square feet. Now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and a sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the commercial project Fortune Elite by Fortune Projects located in Andheri East.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.